already lost the game. I can't let the homies know I'm hallucinating. Fuck. Jesus. Shit, fart. I'm thinking I might be able to... What the fuck just happened, dude? Bum 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 bum. Bro was tripping. Oh my god. Grab it! All I ever wanted was uppies. Is that too much to ask? Dude, I've got a death grip on these fucking controllers, bro. Okay. Take a little breather and get back on the horse. I fear I may get too excited, right? Like actually getting there. And in the excitement, I fear that I may fuck it up. Overstep, you know? You know what I'm saying? You get what I'm putting down? I told you so. I love you so. Just splash. Just splash for a minute. Just enjoy the water. It's heated for once. All the rest of the water, cold. Oh my god, what's he doing down there? Oh my god. Is he shaking his paint? Oh my god, is he shaking his paint down there? Oh, what are you doing? Stop that. Stop. Paint. It's not good. It won't be good underwater. Love you so. I love you so. Okay. All right. We're cooking. We're cooking. Yep. All right. Take a little breaky poo. We've earned it. He was creating a whirlpool. No, you're right. You're absolutely right. Bro was just having the time. Whirlpool. Some story. HMO3, what's that one? Whirlpool. I see what you did there. You took our exact scenario and turned it into a Pokemon reference. Brilliant! Brilliant work, Umbreon. And what an appropriate name to be Patience. Oh! Yeah, there we go. Oh no. Yes. Grab onto rock. Good boy. Grab onto metal. Good. Yes. This is good. This is very good. Grab onto metal. Continue to grab onto metal. Yes! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Fuck. Da 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 dee, da da dee, da da da. Would make a One Piece reference if there was a chance, but all I'd see was the One Piece thing Jake again has. True. It's true. Wait. Do I have to leave this open? If I do rage quit, does that put me back at the start? Is this meant to be done in one sitting? I'm not gonna risk it. I'm not gonna risk it. I'm gonna leave it open. Sob story. All right, bring back my tunes. Okay, that's it. That's it for tonight. I've pushed it